accounting equation. In this video, I am going to discuss with you regarding accounting equation. What is accounting equation? Accounting equation gives you the relationship between assets and liabilities. If the owner of the business has introduced total assets to the business, then assets of the business is equal equity. Assets equal equity. But sometimes there can be external parties, those who have invested to the business. Then our accounting equation will be assets equal equity plus liabilities. Equity plus liabilities. If the owner has introduced total assets to the business, then assets equal equity. But if the other parties, external parties also have introduced assets to the business, then our accounting equation will be assets equal equity plus liabilities. Then the accounting equation gives you the relationship assets and equity. That is a basic accounting equation, but we can further expand when the other parties also have introduced assets to the business, then assets equal equity plus liabilities. Then here, if you want to find liabilities value, then you deduct equity, then equal to liabilities. If you want to find equity, then you can deduct liabilities from assets. Likewise, we can, at the examination, you will have to find other elements also. If you are asked to find liabilities, you deduct equity from assets. If you are asked to find equity, you deduct liabilities from assets. Right. Then there can be three main changes in this accounting equation. If you know these three main changes, at any question, you can adjust those given transactions in this accounting equation. Changes number one, part A. There can be increase in assets, equally increase in equity. Part B, increase in assets, equally increase in liabilities. Main change number two, part A, decrease in assets, equally decrease in equity. Part B, decrease in assets, equally decrease in liabilities. Main change number three, part A, you can have increase and decrease both only in one side, plus minus. No change under both equity and liabilities. Part B, no change in assets, but change in equity and liabilities. Increase equity, decrease liabilities. Likewise, you can have three main changes in this accounting equation. If you know these three main changes, you can adjust any business transaction given at the examination. Then we can take an example and further understand the accounting equation. Right. Example number one. If the owner introduces to the business his own money, rupees 90,000, then assets equal equity, assets cash 90,000 equal capital 9,000 rupees. Then example number 2, if the owner takes a bank loan from BOC worth of 100,000, then under assets, you can have cash now 100,000 plus 90,000, 190,000 equal. Now capital 9,000 plus there will be liability 90,000. That is bank loan. We can take another example. Purnika has started business by introducing 100,000 rupees, and she has taken a bank loan. Then asset equal equity plus liabilities. Purnika has introduced 100,000. Therefore, under asset, you can have cash 100,000 equal equity capital 100,000 plus liabilities another 100,000, that is bank loan. And now in the business, capital 100,000, liabilities bank loan 100,000. Then we can change here cash 200,000. Right. We can take another example. Mr. Pereira introduced 150,000 to the business as his capital. Then under assets 150,000 equal equity 150,000. This is cash. This is capital. Right. First transaction. Number 2, he has purchased a machine for 20,000. Right. Now, under assets, we have cash out of 150 as they have 20, 130,000 plus machine 20,000 equal capital 150,000. Right. Next transaction. Mr. Silva has obtained a bank loan for 150,000. 150,000. Then cash will increase by another 150. Then cash will be 280,000 plus machine 20,000 equal capital 150,000 plus bank loan further 150,000. Bank loan comes under liability. Right.